Internal wall insulation is perfect for older homes with solid walls that require an extra layer of warmth and comfort. It's also ideal for homes with drafty walls or those located in cold climates. It's important to remember that a properly insulated home can save you money on energy bills and contribute to a healthier environment. The process involves attaching insulation boards or plaster panels to the inside surface of your walls and then covering them with a finished plaster or render. The advantage of this method is that it doesn't change the outside appearance of your house, making it an attractive option for many homeowners. If you're thinking about internal wall insulation, it's important to consider factors like building regulations, accessibility to the walls, and the condition of your walls before proceeding. Always hire a qualified professional for the job to ensure it's done correctly and safely. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Remember, a well-insulated home is a happy one. Thanks for watching.